In our last class, we have discussed about issue of share for private placement and issue of share at lump sum. Today, our topic is issue of share at installment. This is the most important part of your syllabus because the question comes from this part, issue of share at installment. Now, what is the meaning of installment? Suppose face value of share is rupees 100 and a shareholder purchased 1000 share. Now, if he has to pay total amount at a time, how much amount he has to pay? For 1000 share and each share value is rupees 100. So, he has to pay rupees 1 lakh. This is impossible for a general public, and company is formed for general public also. So, face value of share can be divided in small parts. Suppose rupees 100 share, if it is divided in 3 parts, that is rupees 20, rupees 50 and rupees 30. 20, 50 and 30. In that case, the person who is purchasing 1000 share, he has to pay 20,000 at a time for his application money. This is called installment of share. Sorry, issue of share at installment. I am giving another example कि तुम लोग अच्छे से समझ जाओ. Now, here is another example. Suppose face value of share is rupees 10. Generally, there are 3 installment. It can be changed. It may be 4 or 5 installment. It is depends on the company. General installment is 3. First one is application. Suppose when company issue its share and public applied for that share. For that, when the public filled up application form, and with the application form they have to pay some application money. So, first installment part of the total face value is application part. Suppose the application part is rupees 4 and second part is allotment part. Suppose the allotment part is 3. Now, the amount is 4 plus 3, 7 and face value is 10. Now, 4 plus 3, 7 and remaining part is 3. This remaining part can company call at a time, that will be called call money, or that remaining 3 rupees company can divide into 2 parts, that is final call, first call and final call. First call may be rupees 2 and final call may be rupees 1, or company can make 3 calls also, first call, second call and final call. Each call is rupees 1, or company can call rupees 3 at a time. This is called the installment. Now we have to know what are the journal entries. Here we have to prepare journal for the issue of shares. Now we are discussing how to prepare journal entries for the issue of share. From the formation of company, we know company first offer to the public for purchase of share, and this is called issue of share. And public who are interested in purchasing the share, they first apply for that shares. So first, when the public apply for the share, they paid some application money, and so company first receives the application money. After that, when company gets the application money, they make a board meeting, and in the board meeting they decide how much amount they has to transfer their capital account. So in first case, when application money received by the company, there is a journal entry that is called receive entry, because company is receiving application money with the application form. So for this, when company receives application money, company make a journal entry that is bank account debit. It may be cash. If it is written the cash, company receives in cash, then you write cash account, otherwise you have to write bank account. So bank account debit to share application account, because this is the application money, so it can be said share application account. Okay, the first entry, this is called receive entry, because company is receiving the amount with the application. So this is the entry, I am repeating that, bank account debit to share application account. What is the narration? Narration is very much important here. Narration is being application money received. Here it is dot dot, because you have to write how much shares application money received for how much shares. If application money received for 10,000 shares, you have to write 10,000 shares of rupees dot dot. Here it is written dot dot, because you have to write the application value. Suppose application value is rupees 4, then you have to write rupees 4. Received 10,000 shares of rupees 4 each. This is the narration. After receiving the application money, board of directors decided how much amount they has to transfer to capital account. So in this case, the account opened by the company, that is share application account, existence of this account will be no more. So the capital transfer entry, this is we called transfer entry. We do the second journal, that is share application account debit to equity share capital account. Now if the share is equity share, you write equity share capital. If the share is preference share, then you have to write preference share capital account. I have written here equity share, but if in the question there is written preference share, you have to write preference share capital account. And narration is being application money on number of shares of rupees dot dot, that is the application value, each transferred to equity share capital account as per board resolution number dated, because this application money is transferred to capital account after a resolution passed on the board meeting. So this line you have to write BR number, that is board resolution number dot dot. Board resolution number is not given in the question, so you have to put dot dot and dated dot dot. The first installment application is journal entry is like this. After receiving application money, second part is allotment of share. Now what is allotment of share? Board of directors decide which shares to be taken on which are not. We will discuss about this in our next classes. First, after application, how much share allotted by the board of directors, and they call for allotment money. The second installment is allotment, and board of directors call for allotment money. And for this, first they decide in their board meeting that they have to call for the allotment money. In case of application, we see that the first received entry has been passed, after that transfer entry has been passed. But in case of allotment money, first you have to pass the due entry, because in case of allotment, first board of directors decided how much amount, that is how much allotment money has to be called. So first in the board meeting they decide and they transfer the amount in capital account, though the amount is not received at all, but they have already transferred this amount. So for this they make an entry, that is share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, and here the allotment money will be written. What is the narration? Here narration is being number of shares allotted to shareholders and transferred to capital account as per board resolution number ... dated ... So you have to remember that in case of allotment you have to pass due entry first, then you have to pass receive entry. When allotment is made, that means allotment of share is made by the board of directors, then they call for the amount and public paid the amount. So when company received the allotment entry, the entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account, and narration is being allotment money received on number of shares of rupees ... each. So you have to remember, in case of application first is received entry and then it is transfer entry, but in case of allotment of shares first you have to pass due entry and then you have to pass receive entry. In case of call, same thing is to be done. First you have to pass the due entry and then you have to pass the receive entry. Same thing will be done for call money also, because here also first due entry has been passed and after that received entry. In case of call money also, first board of directors decide when to call the call money. After they decide, they call for the call money. So first when they call, the entry will be share call account debit to equity share capital account. This is called due entry because at that time call money has been not received by the company, and when the company received the amount, the entry will be bank account debit to share call account. This is called receive entry. Now in case of when there is 2 or 3 calls, in that case a share call, this share call can be called share first call or share second call or share final call. Now we will do a sum as an example how to record journals for the issue of share. Here is a sum for you. Sum number 2 for journal entries for issue of share. What is the question? Question is XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited. So this is a public company. Invited application for 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 2 on first call, and balance on final call. That means there are 4 installments. First installment is application, that is rupees 2. Second installment is allotment, that is rupees 3. Third installment is first call, that is rupees 2. And the final call, the amount of final call is not given. You have to calculate what will be the amount of final call. Now there is 10 rupees face value of each share. Now application 2, allotment 3 and first call 2. Adding these 3, we will get 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 7. So balance is rupees 3, that is the amount of final call. You have to mentally calculate it. I have done it for you here, but you have to calculate it mentally. All the shares were applied and allotted. What is the meaning of this? Suppose company issued 10,000 shares and all the shares were applied. That means 10,000 shares were applied. not more than 10,000 shares or not the less than 10,000 shares were applied. Total 10,000 shares were applied and allotted, and all the shares are allotted. All the money were duly received. That means all the shareholders paid their dues at a time, at the stipulated time. Pass necessary journal entries. I have written here prepare ledger accounts, but ledger accounts not come in your HS question, so I am not giving you the ledger accounts. Okay. Now, what are the installment? Again I am repeating. Application money ₹2, allotment money ₹3, first call money is ₹2, and we have calculated the final call money is ₹3. And what will be the number of shares? Number of shares is 10,000 shares. Now we are doing the journal. You know the format of journal. Here is the format of journal. Again I am giving that journal in the above of journal you have to write in the books of XYZ Limited. In the books of XYZ Limited journal, here date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. You have to write all these. Now in the date column there is no date is mentioned here. In case where no date is mentioned, you have to put question mark. In last class I have already said that. So first entry is receive entry. We know in case of application first receive entry, and for 10,000 share application money is ₹2. You have to make these workings here. Bank account debit to share application account. For 10,000 share application money is ₹2 per share. So total application money is ₹20,000. Narration being application money received on 10,000 shares of ₹2 each. Now you have to transfer it to capital account. So second entry is share application account debit to equity share capital account. Amount is 20,000. The amount received in application, total amount is transferred to capital account. What is the narration? Being application money on 10,000 share transferred to equity share capital account as per board resolution number dated. This has been done after a board meeting, so you have to write here board resolution number and dated. First application part is over. Now the part is allotment. In case of allotment, there is allotment money is ₹3 per share. So first board of directors has to pass the due entry for the allotment. So entry will be share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. First this is the due entry. Okay, and what will be the amount? For 10,000 share, each share allotment value is ₹3, and so the allotment money is ₹30,000. What will be the narration? Being 10,000 shares allotted and due transferred to equity share capital account as per board resolution number dated. Here also allotment money has been called after the board meeting, so you have to put as per board resolution number dated. Now remember one thing, when you are preparing journal, it is not possible to complete it in one page. When you are going to another page, you have to write here to be continued. To be continued full I have not written. You have to you can also write CONTD. That means journal is not completed. You have to go to the next page, and you have to write this when in one page is over but the journal is not complete. After the due entry of allotment, company has to pass the receive entry. Now due entry was ₹30,000 and company received all the money. It is written in the question. So the journal entry will be, this is the receive entry, and journal entry is bank account debit to share allotment account. Amount received in bank, and for what purpose? That is the allotment purpose. Share allotment is a nominal account. Here it is income, so income is credited here. bank account debit to share allotment account. What is the narration? Being allotment money received on 10,000 shares of rupees 3 each. Now allotment part is over. Next we come to share first call. Share first call money is rupees 2. So first you have to pass due entry, that is share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Value is rupees 2 per share. So amount will be 10,000 multiplied by rupees 2, that is 20,000. What will be the narration? Narration will be being due on share first call money transferred to share capital account as per board resolution number dated. Here it is also after passing a board resolution, this entry has passed, so you have to write board resolution number dated. After the first call due entry, company will pass the receive entry when they get the first call money. The entry is same, that is bank account debit to share first call account, and the entire amount is received by the company. So here it is also 20,000. There is no defaulter. All the shareholders are paid the whole amount, so the due amount and the receive amount is same. What is the narration? Narration is being first call money received on 10,000 shares of rupees 2 each, that is 20,000. Third part is final call. We have already calculated the per share value of final call, that is rupees 3. So first you have to pass the due entry. Share final call account debit to equity share capital account. How much money? 10,000. Per share value is rupees 3 for the final call. So 30,000 should be the due entry, due amount. What is the narration? Being due on share final call money on 10,000 shares of rupees 3 each transferred to equity share capital account as per board resolution number dated. That means here you have to write board resolution number because final call money has been called after a board resolution passed on a particular date. Now the last entry is the receive entry. Here also all the amounts due is received by the company. So entry is bank account debit to share final call account, and the entire amount 30,000, what is the due amount, that has been received by the company. So this amount is also 30,000. A narration is being final call money received on 10,000 shares of rupees 3 each. So this is the total sums. This sums was very easy. The sum is very easy. Today is our first class for the installment payment. So I have given us very easy sum. Just copy the sums and after watching this video, just do it on your own. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.